existence of the Earth, and the properties that made it possible for biological life to develop, depend on a very fine balance between the so-called constants of nature. If they were more than slightly different, either planets like the Earth would not occur, or the chemical processes necessary for life would not take place. One might take this as evidence for a divine creator, but an alternative explanation is what is known as the multiverse. The idea is that there are many possible universes. Only in the small number of universes that are suitable will intelligent beings develop and be able to ask the question, why is the universe so carefully designed? Time was separate from space and ran from the infinite past to the infinite future. Asking for a time before the beginning would be like asking for a point south of the South Pole. One can't help asking, why are you so obsessed with God?